Hi, I'm Joni from One Dish Kitchen, and today we're making cheesy baked eggs. One of the things that makes this meal so special is that it's a single serving recipe, making it perfect if you're cooking for one. Another thing I love about this recipe is that it's made so simply. You just need 2 eggs, a little cream, some cheese, and just a little bit of salt and pepper. With just 5 minutes of prep time and about 20 minutes in the oven, it's a great little breakfast recipe. Now let's get started. While the oven is preheating to 400 degrees, we're going to combine 2 eggs, two tablespoons of cream, 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. We're going to whisk these ingredients together. And then we're going to pour the mixture into a buttered ramekin. So I've made this super simple version, but you could easily add in cubed ham or cooked and crumbled bacon, or even a handful of fresh spinach. Endless possibilities here. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the full written recipe at onedishkitchen.com. See the link in the description below. And be sure to subscribe, like, and follow One Dish Kitchen for hundreds of single serving and small batch recipes. Here at One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.